What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we got another one. This time it's the iPhone SE. This is the 3rd generation and the product red model. So look at this packaging. It's getting lighter and lighter, and this is probably the smallest package I've ever seen for a phone. This iPhone packaging is actually kind of, I don't know, the build quality is not that bad. Unlike the Samsung packaging, I think I like this one a little bit better, but whatever. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Let's pull this tab here. This side. Pull this tab here. Look at that, just slides right out. Wow, this iPhone is tiny. Check this out. I almost lost it. Then we would have had a real problem. We peel this off so you guys can hear this. Take a look around the phone. Look at this. So not much has changed. I do like that there's still a thumbprint, a fingerprint reader for these iPhones. I really like that. I'm glad that there's one on the S22 Ultra as well. But look at this. This is really bright red. I like that. See if we can power this iPhone on. And while that's loading up, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. Designed by Apple in California, as we know. Product red. It's this side. And then just the charging port. So still lightning to, what is this? Oh, it looks like it's a USB type C now. So lightning port, or lightning charger to USB type C now. And so it's pretty much all you get in the box. So guys, I'll just be doing a probably quick comparison in another video of this versus the S22 Ultra. It's probably not going to be any kind of real comparison. I'm sure the S22 Ultra is going to blow this phone out of the water, but this phone is for people that still want that smaller form factor, maybe for elderly people, maybe for people that are just starting off with a smartphone. This phone was about $460 if you're going to buy it directly from Apple for the 64 gig model that I have here. So not too bad, but I'm not expecting anything too crazy from this phone. It's just a nice compact phone that anybody should be able to use. So that wraps up this one, guys. Thanks for liking, watching, subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.